Time of year matters, weather matters, terroir matters, it all matters. If you think about it this way, in the winter it's below 40 degrees, our solvent, which is the alcohol, doesn't really want to dissolve the barrel or act with the barrel, interact with it, pull tannins out, flavor itself, get delicious, oxidize young. It takes a break, it's a dormant period. And then the summer, as the heat rises, the solvent becomes more effective. And then also it swells the alcohol. The alcohol raises in volume and it interacts with the barrel in many ways. It starts to extract caramelized hemicellulose, caramelized lignin, which is vanillin, and then also various tannins as well as going through a carbon layer. And those movements are really driven by climate. And so if you think about like a storm, have you ever heard like a pressure drop or a pressure rise for an incoming storm? When there's a storm that's coming here, we'll see barrels cry. They'll actually weep because that pressure change is differential on the fluid inside of that barrel compared to the outside atmosphere around it. That can be the atmosphere inside a warehouse or in a rick house or just anywhere. This room has an atmosphere. There's an atmosphere on this right now. And that change in pressure outside of here makes this need to equalize. And then pressure is another thing, an interesting way to look at pressure is it's a measurement of heat in a way, right? And so like heat drives pressure, right? Heat also drives increased interaction with the solvent in the wood. Also really kind of remarkable, the idea that, any of this really tastes good on the backside of this, right? Humidity is also a big thing. So like in the summer, you're gonna lose more ethanol than you would water from your barrels. In the winter,